We always get what we vibrate. We don't always get what we want. I'm sure all of us have experienced this. And the reason being that unless and until every cell in my body is not giving attention to my goal in a positive way, it will not materialize. Because whatever I'm feeling more strongly about, that is what we are going to experience in our lives. That means if I want to experience calmness, I want to experience success, I want to experience abundance, then I have to ask myself, am I through my thought and feeling giving attention to success, giving attention to abundance? If I start giving attention to it through my thought, my words, and my actions, automatically, you see, my subconscious mind gets a message. Oh, this is what she wants. This is what she wants to bring in her life. And the subconscious mind is power, but power, you see, without direction. You have to give it direction. If you don't do anything consciously, you're feeling bad, it will think, oh, she wants to feel bad now. So bring her more negative outcomes and experiences. So unless and until you don't start your day with a conscious intention, this is what I want to experience. I want to get better and better at what I'm doing. I want to achieve this goal. You may have goals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goals. Make sure every day you start your day connecting with these goals. Because that will help you maintain positive attention. The moment you give something to your subconscious mind to engage with, you see, it starts to create pictures in your mind around those goals. You may have noticed many times you watch something on television, and even though it's not a program you really enjoyed or liked, yet sometimes you'll get flashes of that show. Pictures of that scene will suddenly come. And then, we laugh it off saying, why am I even thinking of this? This was such a silly show. But you see, the subconscious mind has nothing silly. It picks up everything as your command and it starts to vibrate with it. So the idea is that I should take my attention off things I don't want and bring my attention to things I want to have an experience. This is something that we have to do in a mindful manner every single day of our lives if we want to manage our mind. If we want to consciously control our energy. Why? Because energy flows wherever attention goes. Repeat it. Repeat it all the time. Energy flows where attention goes. Question you have to ask yourself is, what am I giving attention to? If you want abundance, write it every day. Write it that I'm blessed with abundance. If you want good health, write I'm blessed with good health. Or make a prayer saying, dear God, dear universe, bless me with the abundance that I desire. Guide me to take the right action at the right time. And most importantly, if you feel you're stuck with a problem, if you feel that a pattern has continued to exist in your life for very long, a pattern which continues to make you experience failures and rejections in your life, then every day after you wake up in the morning, sit in silence. Sit in silence for at least 10 to 15 minutes every single day. As you sit in silence, you see, you relax your body. You allow thoughts to come without judging them. See, when you're sitting in silence, you are not consciously trying to stop anything. If you are trying to stop, then you should not be doing that. Because silent sitting is a time where you just become aware of whatever it is that is going on inside of you. And in those depths of silence, you see, You can think of whatever it is that you want. You can even think of a solution that you want for your challenge or a problem. Ask your higher self to guide you. Say, please guide me. I want to overcome this issue. Guide me. I don't know what is the next step I should take. Please guide me. Doing this allows even your subconscious mind to engage with this question. If the question is, how can I resolve this? The subconscious mind starts to go back to your past to see if there is anything that it can help you to resolve. If there is any idea, any memory, anything in your consciousness that can come to your rescue. So what a wonderful thing we can do for ourselves when every morning we sit in silence. We can actually teach, program, train our subconscious mind to engage in good ideas and positive images. If I connect with my goal on a daily basis, if I constantly make myself aware of how I want to feel, what I want to bring in my life, then automatically the subconscious mind tries to put into my imagination pictures, images. Why? Because the mind thinks in pictures and images. If I ask you to think of an apple, red apple, now I want you to think of a black monkey. Black monkey. Now I don't want you to think of grapes. No grapes. I'm telling you, each one of us would have still got an image of grapes. The moment I took names of these fruits, you've had an image. The moment I said black monkey, you've had an image. Go to Google and type no black monkey. Even Google doesn't understand. Google will also give you images of black monkey. Because whatever you're giving attention to, that is what the subconscious mind is going to pick up. And that is how even a computer is programmed. That is how even our mind and brain is programmed to do. So take attention of things you don't want and bring your attention towards things you want to have an experience. That is a very powerful thing to do every single day of our lives.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.